Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a gradient layered comparison strip using layer styles in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a wide horizontal canvas for comparison layout. First I select the custom shape tool and draw two long rounded rectangles side by side. Then I apply different gradients to each strip so comparison is visually clear. After that, I duplicate each strip slightly downward and darken it for layered depth. Now I add thin divider shapes between sections using soft gradients. Next, I apply subtle inner shadows to separate layers cleanly. Then I refine corner radius and spacing for balance. After this, I adjust gradient contrast so text remains readable. Finally, I zoom out and polish the comparison.